If you want to change your X.com or Twitter name quickly, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're rebranding your profile, correcting a spelling mistake, or just updating your display name to match your current content, this is one of the easiest changes you can make on X. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your X account on your computer or in a browser, because this is the easiest way to update your name. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where you can view how your account currently appears to other people. On your profile page, look to the right side of the screen and find the Edit Profile button. Click that button to open your profile settings. This is where you can change different parts of your profile, like your bio, profile picture, and of course, your display name. Now in the editing window, find the name field. This is the part you want to update if you're changing your X.com or Twitter name. Click inside the field and type your new name exactly how you want it to appear. You can use your real name, your brand name, or any display name that fits your profile. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and make sure the name looks right. Once you're happy with it, go to the top right corner and click Save. X will then apply the update to your profile right away. Your new name should appear immediately after saving. And that's it. You've now changed your X.com or Twitter name successfully. It's a very simple process, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to keep your profile current and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.